Hey Maryland home sellers, are you gearing up to put your house on the market? Before you reach for that toolbox, hold on. In today's video, we're flipping the script and discussing 5 things you shouldn't waste your time and money on, like fixing or upgrading or replacing when selling your home. Trust me, avoiding these can save you from sinking dollars into a bad investment. Hi, I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team, covering Maryland, DC, and Northern Virginia. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button to stay up to date with the latest trends, market updates, and invaluable tips. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Over-the-top renovations. It might be tempting to go all out with extravagant renovations, but hold off. Fancy upgrades like a gourmet kitchen or luxurious spa bathroom might not pay off in the long run. Potential buyers might have different tastes, and these high-end investments may not fetch a higher selling price. Instead, consider focusing on more cost-effective upgrades that still add value to your home without breaking the bank. For example, if you're thinking about updating the kitchen, you might consider painting the cabinets and upgrading the knobs or pools for a fresh look at a fraction of the cost. Similarly, in the bathroom, rather than investing in a complete overhaul, you should opt for regrouting tiles, replacing fixtures, and adding stylish accessories to give the space a modern feel without spending a fortune. Let's break this down further. While a sleek, modern kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances might seem like a surefire way to attract buyers, the reality is a bit more complex. First off, not everyone shares your taste in design. What you consider stylish might not resonate with potential buyers. Moreover, kitchen renovations can be incredibly expensive, with costs quickly spiraling out of control. And let's not forget about the time factor. Major renovations can take weeks, if not months, to complete, delaying the sale of your home and potentially costing you even more money in the long run. So before you start knocking down walls and ripping out cabinets, take a moment to consider whether the return on investment justifies the expense. Replacing windows. This week, my seller clients approached me with concerns about their aging windows, expressing a desire to replace them all. I gently inquired, "Do your current windows function well?" To which they replied, "Yes, but they're older and occasionally get sticky." My response was, "Hold off, and here's why." In my experience, buyers rarely choose a home just because it has the newest, fanciest windows. They're not a major factor in most people's decisions. Even though some might disagree, most buyers tend to focus more on the overall aesthetic and functionality of the home rather than on the specific type of windows it has. My recommendation is this. If you have windows that are genuinely in disrepair, whether it's broken, leaking, or malfunctioning, then by all means address it promptly. However, investing substantial funds into premium windows from a high-end manufacturer, especially if you intend to sell the property, may not yield a significant return on investment. Instead, prioritize ensuring that your existing windows are in good working order and presentable condition. Swimming pools. The allure of a refreshing swim on a hot summer's day. While swimming pools can be a desirable feature in some areas, in Maryland, they may not be the best investment. The high cost of maintenance, increased safety concerns, and limited usage due to the region's climate can turn a pool into more of a burden than a benefit. Even a basic concrete pool in Maryland can cost upwards of $100,000, and not all potential homebuyers are interested in owning a pool or willing to pay a substantial premium for one. Therefore, if you're considering installing a pool, but also planning to sell your home in the near future, it's important to understand that the investment may not yield a positive return. You could end up losing money on the pool while the future owner benefits from having a pool at your expense. Over landscaping, let's talk curb appeal. A lush, meticulously manicured lawn might seem like a selling point, but be aware of over landscaping. As any savvy seller knows, first impressions are everything when it comes to selling your home. And what better way to make a good first impression than with a beautifully landscaped yard? But here's the thing, there's a fine line between enhancing your home's curb appeal and going overboard with landscaping. While a lush green lawn and vibrant flower beds can certainly catch a buyer's eye, extravagant gardens and intricate hardscaping can quickly become a money pit. And not only are these features expensive to install and maintain, but they might also not align with potential buyers' preferences. So before you start digging up your yard and planting exotic shrubs, consider opting for simple, low-maintenance landscaping that enhances your home's natural beauty without breaking the bank. Interior doors. Another renovation that typically doesn't offer a significant return on investment is upgrading the doors. I recently worked with a client who needed to spruce up their parents' outdated home before putting it on the market. They were considering replacing the doors, but it's essential to understand that for most buyers, high-end doors are not a top priority. While I personally value quality doors in my own home, as I do not plan to sell anytime soon, the reality is that prospective buyers are more focused on other aspects of the property. If your doors appear outdated, I recommend a cost-effective solution. Paint them and update the hardware. This simple change can significantly enhance the appearance of your home without overspending. It's a practical way to achieve an updated look and feel, ultimately making your property more appealing to potential buyers. There you have it, guys. Once again, thank you for tuning in. And whether you're considering selling your home or simply maintaining your property, your investment matters. As a team leader of the Sold by Lily team at eXp Realty serving Maryland, DC, and Virginia, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Even if selling isn't on your radar right now, remember that maintaining your home is key to its long-term value. By staying proactive, you'll ensure a smooth process when the time does come to sell. If you found value in this video, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in my next video.